welcome to Jun's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make another kimchi, cucumber kimchi. We call ui kimchi. Ui kimchi is good for summer because quite chilly and refreshing and, and easy to make. So I hope you enjoy today's recipe. Before rinse a cucumber with water, I'm going to get rid of thorns with salt, rock salt. Rub rock salt on the outside of cucumber like this. After rinse cucumber, I'm going to cut the cucumber, but each end sometimes tastes bitter, so I'm going to cut them off. Today I'm going to make a cucumber kimchi in an easy way, so I'm going to cut the cucumber into a bite size like this. The traditional cutting way is a little bit different, but today I'm just going to make ui kimchi in casual way, so I'm actually doing like this. Maybe next time I can show you what is the traditional way to cut. Now I'm going to soak cucumber with salt, but not easy way this time. Well, I'm going to do it with salted hot water to prevent cucumber get soft too easily and too fast. Because cucumber gets soft so quickly, it will be difficult to find ui kimchi in the supermarket. You have to make it yourself. You might think it's okay to do like this for vegetable, but trust me, it's okay. After soaking for 30 minutes, I drain the water. You can check the cucumber becomes a little bit changed like this. Now I'm going to make yangnyeom, a sauce for kimchi. These are the normal other ingredients for ui kimchi. Thinly julienned carrot and sliced onion and chopped Asian chive. Anyway, I'm going to make yangnyeom. 3 tablespoons of chili powder. Three tablespoons of anchovy fish sauce. 액젓, 멸치 액젓. And 1.5 tablespoons of crushed garlic. And add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can actually substitute with sugar substitutes like erythritol if you want. And mix it well. Quite simple, isn't it? There are many other ui kimchi yangnyeom recipe which you use more ingredients, but I'm making really basic one now. Now you just need to put all the ingredients together except for Asian chive. You just need to mix like making kimchi. Mix well, at the same time slightly squeeze like that. If you think it's almost done, it's a time to add Asian chive, chopped one already. But you have to be careful when you mix with Asian chive. Shouldn't be that a strong mix. Slide in gently, mix them well. If you don't, you might have some kind of weed smell afterward. Cucumber is one of popular kimchi among Koreans, and it actually keeps changing its taste, so quite interesting one. You can eat this kimchi right away after you make, like other kimchi, but if you like fermented kimchi, you leave this kimchi in the room temperature 1 or 2 days. And after that, keep this kimchi in your fridge. Well, finished. It really goes well with any kind of food, but personally I think it's really good with noodle soup. Well, did you enjoy today's recipe, oil kimchi? Oil kimchi is a little bit different to cabbage kimchi because you can't keep it that long. You have to finish this kimchi in a couple of weeks. But it's really tasty. I think you can enjoy this kimchi, oil kimchi, if you like cucumber. Anyway, thank you for watching, and any comment and opinion will be welcome. See you next time.